Very good morning, students. Hope you all are fine and taking care of yourself. Now see, we have started Nelson Mandela. Okay, and now I am going to start from here. So pay attention. We are starting from this paragraph. Now see, in life, every man has twin obligations. Obligations to his family, to his parents, to his wife and children. And he has an obligation to his people, his community, his country also. Are you getting? These words are very easy to understand, but they are very heavy words. Two types of obligations are there with every citizen, every man. First come his family. Okay, and what is obligation for family? As a son, are you getting? As a son, he has obligations to his parents. As a husband, as a husband and as a father, he has obligations to his wife and children. And are you getting this word obligations? Obligations, it means his duties. Okay, for example, your parents are performing their duties so nicely. Okay, and that is why you are taking education so easily. Now see the children, child labor. If we are talking about child labor, the children are doing 12 hours. 12 hours they are working at a construction site, in a textile market, at a diamond hub. And at night they go to, they study in a night school. And so many, in India almost 30% child laborers are there, and this situation is very critical in India. We people are very lucky. Our parents are obliged with us. They are taking care of us. They are doing everything for us. Okay, so being honest with ourselves, we also have to prove ourselves. Okay beta, and this is the meaning what Nelson Mandela is saying. In life, every man has twin obligations. No one can say, I don't have to do what China is doing and what India is doing. No, he has to. Are you getting my point? We people are there. We force the government to ban Chinese apps. We force the government, be bold, be blunt. We people are there, and these are our obligations. Are you getting? Government doesn't take this decision in a emotional way. They saw people are also forcing. Now the crises are like that. Okay, and if you are also seeing the news, and in that news also we are seeing almost 80% Indians, 130 between 130 crore, 80% Indians are very happy. They in these conditions, India has banned so many apps. India of China, India has banned so many Chinese items. Okay, and this is also one type of obligation by a common man to his country. In short, the common man's obligation or every man's obligation is twice. He has to do it twicely. How? First one is with his family, and another one is with his community, with his people, with his country. Getting? Next, in a civil and human society, each man is able to fulfill those obligations according to his own inclinations and abilities. See, inclinations here, meaning is their natural tendency of behavior. Are you getting? Natural tendencies of behavior. In society, each man is able to fulfill those obligations according to his own inclinations and abilities. No doubt, so many middle class people are there in between our society also. So many middle class people. So first he fulfill, if the person is from middle class family, first he fulfill the needs of his family and then he support the country. And nothing bad in that. Are you getting? His first obligation is with his family and then his community and then his country. Okay, now everyone is following their style of obligation and they have right. The constitution has given that right to every citizen. You can follow your obligations and inclinations and abilities, with your circumstances. But in a country like South Africa, it was almost impossible for a man of my birth and color fulfill of those obligations. But in South Africa, there was too much discrimination between colors, blackish and whitish. Okay, so a man of my color, okay, Nelson Mandela was blackish, and a man of my color, it was very hard to follow or almost impossible to follow this type of obligations. Next, in South Africa, a man of color who attempted to live as a human being was punished and isolated. Isolated, it means keep someone isolate. किसी को अलग रखना, differently, treat them differently. Okay, now see what Nelson Mandela is saying. A man like me, if he attempted to live as a human being. Are you getting my point? A man like me tried to live or attempted to live as a human being. साउथ अफ्रीका में इतनी भी परमिशन नहीं थी कि कोई एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग रह सकता है. ही वॉज पनिश्ड एंड आइसोलेटेड. उसको तुरंत अलग किया जाता था. ओके, नेक्स्ट, as a human being punished and isolated. In South Africa, a man who tried to fulfill his duty to his people was inevitably ripped from his family and his home and was forced to live a life apart. A twilight existence of a secrecy and rebellion. See, inevitable. Inevitable, it means unavoidable. You can't avoid that condition. Inevitable. Okay, now see, if in South Africa a man who tried to fulfill his duty, किसी ने भी ऐसा ट्राई किया, he fulfill his obligations regarding his family, regarding his country, regarding his community. Okay, he was punished, but his people was inevitably ripped from his family and his home and was forced to live a life apart. That particular man was forced to leave your family and go alone and live there. Okay, live anywhere. He was a rebellion. Rebellion, it means you can say here, who make a revolt. Okay, rebellion. I did not in the beginning choose to place my people above my family, but in attempting to serve my people, I found that I was prevented from fulfilling my obligations as a son, a brother, a father, and a husband. And I myself found that I was prevented from fulfilling my obligations. नेल्सन मंडेला ने खुद ने ये चीज़ें फेस किए. He was also prevented from fulfilling his obligations as a son. Okay, as a father he was not able to do anything for his son. As a brother, he has not fulfilling his obligations of father. He was not a complete father at that time, and neither a husband. Okay, now we are going to stop here, and in next I will continue from that from this paragraph. Okay, so take care of you.